We're going to show you what comes with your new Ankarsrum. So here's the machine just taken out of the box. You've got a nice big heavy bowl. That's the machine base. Just pop that one on. This is a fused power cord which plugs into the back of the machine, which is nice. If you want to move it around, you just take that out. So there's no strain on the cable going into the machine. With the mixing bowl, there is a dough knife which clips in here. As you can see, goes up the side, clips the dough back in. We've got a dough hook, super sturdy. That just slots in here and it's held in place with the arm. You can adjust that however you want, depending on what dough you're mixing. The other thing you can do with the mixing bowl is use this one, which is called a dough roller. That one just goes in the bowl, the pin goes down to hold it in place. It can either go up against the side of the bowl, and that turns around with the friction of the bowl, or again, you can put that in the middle, depending on your dough. With both of these setups, you can have the dough knife there or not, depending on what you need it for. Another nice feature is this spatula, which sits in perfectly the same shape as the bowl, so you can just scrape around and get your dough out or whatever you've been mixing. Let's take the dough roller out. Here's a lid which will go on that way or on that way. With the lid, it's designed so you can use it on your scales, weigh your bits and pieces, pop it in, use the lid, that's fine. Lid off and the bowl off. And here we have the beater bowl. With the beater bowl, you need an axle, so pop that one down first, slots into place, no worries. We'll pop this one on here, again, slots into place. And you have a couple of different choices here. You've got the little cookie whisks and the regular whisks. Okay. The beater set sits down into place and they spin around when you turn the machine on. If you want to change them for the other ones, you just pull these one out and clip the other ones in. Push it in until it goes click, and then you know it's in the right place. Easy peasy. The other thing that comes in the box, apart from your warranty, is a handy book, and that has got lots of nice recipes in there, and they tell you with the recipes which attachments to use and what speeds to put it on. It's a great way to get started. So this is everything that's in the box, and that is perfect for doing all types of bread, cakes, lots of recipes. There are other attachments you can buy for the Ankarsrum if you want to experiment in blending and juicing and all sorts of pasta, you name it, it does it.